So no wonder my clients couldn't envision what this wall unit was going to turn out to look like. Even with the mood boards, even with the drawing, it took a collaboration with Fiverr to create some wonderful renderings for us, for my client to actually get what I was envisioning for their family room. So for all of you designers, homeowners, and builders, this is the perfect platform for you to bring your vision to life for your client, and it'll just speed up the process for you and also give them peace of mind. We started off with some mood boards and some drawings, and I started to feel that my client was kind of hesitant about what it's all gonna look like together. And here is the concern. We have a family room on that side. We have a great grand bar / breakfast area here. And all the way here, we have a really big kitchen. So that's when I offered her to do some proper rendering so she could actually get a feel for this space. We teamed up with John and his team in creating the renderings for our clients. And it was an easy task because all we had to do was present the architectural drawings to him, show him the finishes, and he put it all to work for us. Took only a couple of weeks to finish, and my client was very happy at the end. So when I stand around this room and I feel like it's bare and it's empty and there's no feeling to it, and then I look at the renderings and it has feeling and it has emotions in it and makes you fall in love with it. And that's the best thing about Fiverr, because you have thousands of different designers with many different talents that are there to help bring your vision to life. A big shout out to Zarkon Homes for building yet another spectacular property. Thank you to Fiverr for this amazing collaboration. You know I love you guys. Make sure you use my discount code below for your future projects on Fiverr. Make sure you go onto their platform. They will change your life, I'm telling you. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Guys, the end result is coming soon.